Installing Hotwire Under Tile Heating is simple and effective when you follow the right steps. In this video, we'll guide you through the process, pointing out the key details to make sure your system performs safely and efficiently. For full details, always refer to the installation manual. In your kit, you'll find an installation manual, a roll of tape, an element testing record, a continuity alarm, the heating element, and a thermostat including floor probe. Step 1. Measure before you order. Accurate measurements are essential. The heating cable must match your room's size. Never cut the cable. If you're unsure, contact Hotwire and we'll calculate the exact kit for your floor. Calculate the width between the cable runs using the formula provided. Then cut a jig to help with the installation. Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. Make sure your floor is clean, level, and primed before rolling out the element. A good foundation means a reliable installation. Step 3. Roll out and position the element. Lay the heating element directly onto the primed floor surface. Step 4. Secure the element. To start your installation process, you will need to dig out 2 channels at a minimum of 10 mm wide, 150 mm long, and 5 mm deep. Fix the element in place using the provided tape. If you have trouble with adhesion, a spray adhesive may help. Make sure the element runs don't touch each other, as this will cause the system to fail. If some of your cable is sitting proud, secure with extra tape. Every element comes with a halfway label. Make sure your marker lines up with 50% of your floor space. Step 5. Electrical connections. Return the cold tails neatly to your desired thermostat location. Remember, all electrical work must be completed by a licensed electrician. Step 6. Testing. Test resistance and continuity before, during, and after installation to confirm everything is operating safely. Step 7. Install the floor probe. The probe must be installed evenly between 2 element runs. If you've cut the waterproofing for the cold tail join, you may need to fill the hole with waterproof sealant. Step 8. Tiling options. Once installed, you can either tile directly onto the cable or cover the cable with self-leveling compound. Your Hotwire Under Tile Heating system is now installed and ready to bring long-lasting, even warmth to your space. Remember, measure before ordering, never cut the cable, and check the manual or contact Hotwire for extra guidance.